Hello, so this is a warm-up video using the round Our Poor Bird. For that you're going to have me here directing. We've also got 4 groups just here, just so we're coming around and getting more feeling like it's singing more with the chorus guys. Okay, so first of all, let's make sure we're in the right place. So that's going to be our starting note. Making sure that's in a high enough placement, making sure we can really turn these words. Our poor bird, take thy flight far above the sorrows of this sad, sad night. Aiming for those pure vowels as we go through there, making sure we're far above, far above. Far above is more how it feels within this round. Far above the sorrows of this, sorrows of this sad, don't jump on the way down, sad, sad night. Okay, I'm going to direct it once through. Everyone, join in with me please, just for this once through. Our poor bird, take thy flight far above the sorrows of this sad, sad night. Thank you very much. Okay, now we're going to do this as a round. So as we said before, this group are going to start off, then this, then this, then this, and each group will sing this round twice through, and we will hold on the last note before we come off all together, guys. Okay, I won't be singing this. Choose which group you're with and enjoy. Our poor bird, take thy flight, take thy flight, take thy flight, far above thy sorrows, this sad, sad night, this sad, sad night, take thy flight, far above the sorrows of this sad, sad, sorrows of this sad, sad